This is a quick video on BitLocker. Now BitLocker, you may not know, may be already enabled in your computer, especially Surface Pro or tablets. They're usually turned on, and if you log in with a Microsoft account, it's also turned on most of the time. And the BitLocker encryption key is linked to your Microsoft account. If you've forgotten your Microsoft account and your system crashes, or you change your password recently and you try to do recovery, you don't remember your old password, you'll never be able to recover your BitLocker key. Now, it's good to have it on if you're always traveling and you've got sensitive files on the computer. You don't want anyone prying the computer open and taking the SSD out or doing data recovery and going through your files. But most people don't actually use it, and it's there and it can be really annoying, and you can actually lose data. For example, you may not have a Microsoft account, you have a local account, and you don't know this feature is turned on automatically, and when you try to recover files, like if you saw previous videos of this one, we don't have the encryption key, and basically we have to wipe the hard drive. And if you have backup, that's fine. If you don't, that's the problem. So I do recommend turning it off if you're not especially a business user or a corporate user. You don't have anything sensitive, and it's not a big deal if someone goes through the files. Now, it's good to have it on, but you got to have a way to protect the recovery key. So I recommend making a backup of your recovery key, either having it printed, saved to a Microsoft account, that's the best option, or put it into a file, email it to yourself, or on a USB or something. But most people don't know this. It's enabled by default on some systems, and if you don't manage it properly, you'll be in big trouble when you want to recover files of a failed system. Even if you take it to Microsoft, they won't help you. So in this case, average user, we're going to turn off the BitLocker, and decryption takes a little while in the background depending on the size of the hard drive, and when that's finished, it'll be good to go. And if your system crashes, you can always do system recovery and access your files. But if you have BitLocker, you'll need a BitLocker key. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.